In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get organic traffic from Facebook without running ad. What you are going to do is you will first of all create a Facebook page for your business. I already have a Facebook page, and you should have created an Instagram page for your business as well. But in this video, I will show you how you can get organic traffic from Facebook group. Okay, because Facebook group is another avenue you can get organic traffic for free without paying any dime. Okay, so what you do is you are going to go home, and under home, while you are still under your group, your page profile, you are going to see group here. You will see that, but if you have not joined any group, you will not see any group here. You see it empty. Okay, so you are going to click on create new group. Then you give it a name. Make sure the name you are giving it is a name that your page provides solution to, and the name should be very attractive to people that are looking for that particular solution. Okay, it should be attractive to your clients or customers to be. So I'm going to give my own a name: how to monetize social media accounts. Okay, because this is the category of people I'm looking for. I'm looking for content creators. All right, so this particular topic will attract content creators. Okay, so that is why I name it this way. And all the content I'll be providing in this group, I'll be providing it for free. Okay, so that it is going to attract them, and also is the kind of lead magnet for me. Okay, so the privacy will be public. So I'm going to click on create, and the advantage of this is that anytime you are creating a post on your Facebook page, you will be able to select your Facebook page, your Instagram, and Facebook at the same time. So the advantage here is that instead of posting differently on Facebook page, Instagram, and group, it will save your time. You will be able to post on those three platforms at once. Let me show you how it works. So assuming I come to my page now, which is Flinker, and I go to Meta Business Suite, then I click on create post. At the top here, you are going to click on this drop down. You will be able to select your group. Imagine if you have up to 3 more groups now, you will be able to select additional 2 groups. So apart from your Facebook, your Instagram, you are given the privilege to select 2 more, which is for any single post you are creating, you can select up to 5 pages and or group. In other words, that is 2 pages and 3 groups. Okay, but for me, I'm currently having only 1 group. Okay, so let's leave it at this 1 group, and you can also join other pages with your business. But the disadvantage is that some group will not allow you to post on their platform. Okay, so but you can still join. The best is for you to own the group by yourself. If you own the group by yourself, you can post whatever stuff you want to post in your group. So I am going to go to chat GPT now and copy my post. Okay, so this is the post I want to copy. I am going to go there and paste it here. So I paste the text here. Okay, so that is it here. Then I add an image to it. This is the image I want to use. I generated it with ChatGPT. You can do same. Okay, so this is it here, and that's pretty much I can do here. And if you like, you need to add hashtag to it. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT, generate hashtags for this post. It makes things faster for me instead of me trying to crack my brain on how to generate tags. Okay, there are different tags here. Let me copy this one and go there and paste it. Then I go back again, social media monetization. I copy this one. It doesn't need to be too much, but I will enter this one here. That's all I need for that. So I want to add one more thing. Comment interested. Comment interested. So I can send you the video. Okay, this is going to increase the reach of this particular post, because by the time they started commenting on this post, it is good. The algorithm will take it to more people. And don't insert a link in your post if you want it to go viral, because if there is an external link in your post, it will not go viral. Instead of that, add the link in your comments. Okay, so that is all. I'm going to publish it now. This one is just an image. Now this, as I publish it now, this post will go to 3 places. I don't need it to be boosted for now. Okay, now let's see. If I go to my page now, this is my Facebook page. Let me refresh it. You see the post here. Okay, so as people are visiting my page now, they will see this. Then for the members of my group, I am going to go home, then click on groups, and this is the group I just created. You see the post is there. So if I go to my Instagram account now and try to log in, Okay, I cannot log in on this page, but if I log into my Instagram page now, I will also see the page. So it saves time. Okay, so that is it. I'm sure you have learned something from this video, and try to edit the cover, try to optimize this page. Make sure you add the cover page. I'm not going to do that in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.